we encounter the female Sordidus vorax. With steady precision, she pierces the well-done steak, raising it to her mouth and tears at it with her teeth. Her focus shifts. Rice is gathered hastily, though much is lost, tumbling back to the plate. A telling sign of her untidy feeding habits. She gnaws at the steak again with persistence, stripping away what she can, guided only by need. Another sharp shake releases the meat. A mouthful of rice is shoveled, allowing an enormous clump to fall away from her maw. She chews with quiet triumph and flicks her hair back, a gesture that suggests confidence. The steak is claimed once more. It is lifted, mauled, and consumed with unflinching determination. With a deft flip, she exposes untouched rice, securing further sustenance. Then, the observation ends abruptly, leaving us only with questions and disgusted by the spectacle we have witnessed.